My name is Lieutenant Edward Huey. I'm with the City of Milford, Delaware Police Department. It's a jurisdiction of about 14,000 people, about 13 square miles. As an administrative lieutenant, I'm responsible for taking care of the fleet, managing the radio communication system and the network in our patrol car fleet, 14 marked patrol cars. We started noticing that the computers weren't working. They wouldn't access any of the mission critical software. We couldn't do crime reports in the car. So we started exploring around, and our chief was familiar with FirstNet, asked about their program, and so we gave them a try. And instantly, when we put the SIM cards in the Cradlepoint routers and the machines went live, we noticed a huge difference. In each of our patrol cars, there's a front-facing 4K camera, there's a rear-facing 4K camera, and then the officers are all equipped with body cameras. The body cameras and the dash cams are probably the biggest users of bandwidth and storage. That data is moved to the mobile data terminal and then uploaded through the internet from our AT&T FirstNet connection. And that's a lot of gigs of data that's being uploaded just by the cameras alone. Everything that we do is electronic now. So without the electronic connections, we'd be dead in the water. Probably about 6 or 8 months after we moved to FirstNet network, we experienced an outage. It wasn't just the AT&T network, it was other carriers as well, and it was a statewide issue. Not long after that, I actually received a call from our FirstNet representative. It said during a construction job, a backhoe had dug through a fiber line. And without hesitation, without even asking that question, FirstNet offered us these things called deployables. They were able to get the fiber lines fixed much faster than they thought, but the offer to bring those trucks down and have us back in business within 4 hours was just phenomenal to us. So if you want a steady connection, if you want your mission critical software to work, you want your body cameras to seamlessly load up and be available for immediate view, I would strongly recommend switching over to FirstNet.